Question number 151. Select the incorrect match. And the very first match given is clavicle to collarbone. And as it is a correct match, so this is an incorrect option. As you can see here, this clavicle, which is a part of pectoral girdle, is a collarbone. As you can see here, it's a collarbone. The next match given is scapula in pelvic girdle, and as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question. You can see here that the scapula is a part of pectoral girdle and not pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle consists of coxal bone, which consists of ilium, ischium and pubis. So the correct answer is option number 2. The next match given is coxal bone and the match given is innominate bone, and this is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because this coxal bone present in the pelvic girdle is also known as innominate bone. The last option given is vertebrochondral ribs and the match given is bicephalic in nature, and as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because all type of ribs in humans, they are bicephalic in nature. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 152. The number of bones are same in which set listed in option below? The very first option given is carpals and tarsals. Carpals are wrist bones and total 16 wrist bones in upper limbs of humans, whereas tarsals are total 14 in number in lower limbs. So this cannot be a correct answer as the set of bones present in carpals and tarsals are 16:14. The next option given is pelvic girdle and pectoral girdle, and this is also an incorrect option because the number of bones present in pelvic girdle are 2 coxal bones in pelvic girdle, whereas there are total 4 bones in the pectoral girdle. The next option given is cranium and carpals of one limb, and this is a correct answer to our question as the number of bones present in cranium are 8 and the number of bones present in carpals of one limb, that is the number of wrist bones in one limb of human, are also 8 in number. The next option given is vertebrae and all bones of upper limb, and this is also an incorrect option because there are 26 bones in human vertebrae, whereas all bones of an upper limb are 30. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 153. Femur, a bone of appendicular skeleton, articulates with all except. And as you can see here, this is a diagrammatic representation of right pelvic girdle and lower limb bones. This consists of coxal bones or innominate bones, which articulates with femur, and this femur articulates with patella as well as with tibia. This tibia and femur forms a hinge joint. So this femur doesn't articulate with which bone? With tibia. As you can see here, this femur articulates with tibia directly, whereas this tibia has 2 articulating points with this fibula. This fibula doesn't directly articulate with femur. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, that is fibula. This femur bone doesn't articulate with fibula. It articulates with tibia, so this cannot be a correct answer. It articulates with patella, so this cannot be a correct answer. And it also articulates with coxal bone, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 154. Choose the correct match between column 1 and column 2. In column 1, the very first option given is middle ear. And we all know that middle ear consists of 3 pair of bones, and this includes stapes, incus and malleus. So the very first option in column 1 goes with the third option in column 2. So A goes with 3. The next option in column 1 is a human skull has 2 occipital condyles through which it interacts with atlas vertebrae. So option number 2 in column 1 goes with option number 4 in column 2. The next option in column 1 is humerus and glenoid cavity, and this forms the ball and socket joint. It is a type of synovial joint, so C goes with 2, ball and socket joint. The last option given in column 1 is femur and tibia, and this femur and tibia forms a knee joint, and the type of joint present between these 2 articulating bones is a synovial joint, also known as hinge joint. So D goes with 1. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, that is A with 3, B with 4, C with 2 and D with 1. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 155. Read the given statements and mark the correct answer. And the very first statement given is, function of muscles, lungs, heart and kidney are coordinated during physical exercise, and this is a correct statement. The next statement given is the neural and endocrine system jointly coordinate and integrate all the activities of the organs so they function in a synchronized fashion, and this is also a correct statement. Let's discuss the options first. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. This is an incorrect option. Statement 1 is incorrect while statement 2 is correct, and this is also an incorrect option. The third option given is statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1, and this is a correct answer to our question. Because the function of these structures or organs are coordinated during physical exercise, which is facilitated by the neural system, which provides an organized network of point-to-point connection for quick response or coordination. On the other hand, this endocrine system provides chemical coordination through hormones, so that these organs or structures, they work in a synchronized fashion. So this is a correct answer to our question. The last option given is statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect, and this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question.